Dapat lang makulong yung hayop na yan eh. Minatrato yung katulong niya eh. Dagdag si Jinggoy. Napasigaw na si Jinggoy. Ayun yung impactang amo yun, no? Kaya nabulag si Aling LB. Kabubugbog. Yeah. Mag-asawang yan. Yan. Baka walang hiya. Makukulong habang buhay. Walang piyansa. Ay, si Jinggoy. Galit na galit si Jinggoy. Lagi kong pinapanood dyan. Ako. Lagi ko inihintay ang ano yan eh. Ano sa YouTube.
May nagpapasalamat, Mr. Chair and Your Honor, sa pagkakataon namin magsalita. Bagamat po iba-iba ang aking opinion sa mga opinion nila, minsan nakapagtaas ng boses ang mga...
Kaya siguro kayo pinagtataas ng boses dahil nagsisinungaling ka. Wala naman kami karapatan magtaas ng boses kung talaga mga totoo ang mga sinasabi mo.
Galitan naman si Jinggoy.
Tataas kami ng boses dahil nagsisinungaling kayo. Bakit naman ang itsura niya? Ang lahat ng gusto tinuturo ikaw. Ikaw at wala nang iba. Kundi ikaw. Ilang testigo yung nandito ngayon? 5? 6? 7? 7 na testigo nagsasabang ikaw mismo ng pagtrato dito sa...
Galit si Jinggoy.
Paano hindi tataas ang boss namin? Paano ka sinungalingan ang sinasabi mo? At may tayo black test na nagsasabi na sisinungaling ka. Oh. Ilan yan? 7. Ikaw, sino testigo mo? Meron ka ba presenta dito? Na testigo? Na magko-corroborate sa'yo sa mga sinasabi mo? Nasasangayon sa mga sinasabi mo? Meron ka ba dinala? Kung meron ka dinala, di sana pinakinggan namin. Oh. Itong mga ito, naglabasa na lang ito dahil naawa kay Aling LB. Hindi naman namin sila nipita eh. Nagkusang loob sila pumunta rito para magtestigo sa ginagawa mong maltrato rito kay Aling LB.
Nagalit na naman.
Ginagawa mo.
Umiyaw sa taas na ng boses eh. Oh.
Mas masahol pa sa hayop yung ginagawa mo.
Galit si Jinggoy.
Exercise.
High blood si Jinggoy oh.
Cooler heads without defense center Estrada. Alam niya Senator Estrada kasi siya yung gumawa ng kasambahay doon. Kaya ayaw
Si
na makita yung nagawa.
Estrada pala gumawa ng batas ng kasambahay.
Hindi lang yan, Mr. Chair. Kaya naman, I'm sorry for raising my voice. Kaya naman talaga, ako doon kumiinit ang ulo ko. Tumatas ang ulo. Dahil nakikita ko itong tao. No, masyado mo yung pinaltrato. Habang okay na siya mabubulag. Hindi mo pa naintindihan? Kung sa'yo ginawa yun. Habang buhay ka mabubulag. Matutuwa ka? Matutuwa yung mga kapatid mo? Matutuwa yung mga anak mo? Tignan mo. Tignan mo yung tsura. Nung pumasok sa'yo si Aling LB, hindi ganyan yung tsura niya. Ilang taon na kayo Aling LB? 44 years old na.
Parang matanda na si Aling LB.
Parang mas matanda pa sa akin. Parang 70 years old na, 80 years old na sa ginawa ninyo. Sa ginawa mo in particular. Hindi na makatao yan.
This is treated as a motion for reconsideration to reconsider and set aside the order of contempt dated 19 September 2023 against Franeline Garcia Ruiz and to order the prayer of the council is to order the immediate release of Uvan Franilin Garcia Ruiz. After having deliberated and consulted with the members of the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights, the committee resolves in open hearing to deny said motion. Is there another motion?
Well, Mr. Chair, I would like to second the motion of Senator Tulfo with regard to the contempt against Mr. Pablo Luis.
Patay
There
ko
is a
lang.
pending motion coming from Senator Tulfo, duly seconded by Senator Estrada, to likewise detain within the premises of the Senate, pursuant to the rules of the Senate, the person of Mr. Pablo Ruiz.
Kulong din yung
For the
lalaki.
same reasons
Mag-asawa
as
sila.
considered by the committee when it detained Mrs. Ruiz. Having considered the same as meritorious, the committee hereby approves the detention of Mr. Pablo Ruiz under the same conditions, and the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to facilitate the implementation of the same, subject to the appropriate medical examinations, right of visitation by relatives,
Galit na galit si
as well
Estrada.
as the right to counsel. So, approved in open session in this day of the 25th of September 2023. OSAA is hereby directed to pause the detention.
Your Honor, this representation would like to seek reconsideration.
Yan ang dalawang mag-asawa. Ay, yung abogado nila.
Considering that the spouses, Your Honor, have two children. One is a minor and another is a
Ay,
minor. Should both of them be sent for detention, Your Honor, at the same time, the two children will be left, Your Honor, alone in the said residence without any means of livelihood.
Hindi
This time,
papayag yan sa
without
Estrada.
any arrangements for
Hindi papayag yan. Eh, walang hiya din yung dalawang anak
Visitation
nun eh.
rights, attorney. They can visit their parents.
May kamag-anak naman yun eh. Di daw ikatiwala.
This representation, Your Honor, would like to move for
Hindi
reconsideration
papayag yan
of
sa
order
Estrada.
given by, the Honorable Chairman, considering that the spouses have two children, Your Honor. One is 17 years of age and another is 18 years, without anyone taking care of them, Your Honor. And given this development, this would force the said children to stop going to school and most likely, Your Honor, languish in despair, considering that there will be no adult of sufficient age to take care of them.
Yung anak ni Franz, yung nag-testigo in executive session, nasa tamang edad na. These are all charges. Alright? At nakatira sa dorm. So, she's already independent. Nakatira sa apartment. Meron kayo apartment sa apartment. Yata, diba?
So, may kwarto naman na hindi kailangan kasama sila. Yung pwede silang, they're not considered as detainees.
Oh, sabi siya, hindi papayag yan.
They're considered as visitors.
Pwede daw dumalaw.
Buti nga. Kaya kami wala.
We heard the council seeking
Sabi na nga ba, hindi papayag yan si Estrada.
with
I object, Mr. Chair.
the objection coming from Senator Estrada, but again, with the
Gusto ko yung si
best interest
Tolentino.
of the child in mind,
Pag tumakbo yan, boboto ko yan si
hereby
Tolentino.
denies the same.